Hi, I'm Dr. Paul Vitenas, a board-certified plastic surgeon with over 30 years of aesthetic plastic surgery experience. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about breast implant exchange. Often I'm asked when patients come in with breast implants that have decided that they want to change them, why the procedure is more expensive and takes longer. And the reason is because once you have implants and you want to change them, very often we have to remove part of the capsule, or we have to change the lateral aspect of the pocket which has been created, or we need to do a complete capsulectomy to allow the breast to expand to receive a different implant, often a bigger implant. So the procedure takes twice as long to do as doing a primary breast augmentation. And that is the reason it often costs more.